So, good morning children, good morning everyone. So now the class 4, that is English subject, we are going to now. So that is English textbook. Everyone know what is class 4? So that is English textbook. So till now we completed the lessons 6. So how many lessons we have completed? 6 lessons. So I am hoping that you all are listening the lessons carefully from the online classes and you are taking the textbooks and keep in front of you and you are listening carefully. I am thinking that. So here we completed the lesson. 6 lessons we have completed. How many lessons? 6 lessons. So yesterday I have given you homework, that is grammar homeworks, that is nouns and odd nouns I only pick up and given for you. Just I told to write nouns, that is person, place, animal, things. So 4 I given for you homework. I hope you wrote in your books, textbooks, as well as if you don't have textbooks, take the textbooks and write in textbooks. And if you are not having textbooks, I told to write in rough notebooks, that is person, place, animal, things. So yesterday we completed this lesson. So now the lesson number 7. We are going to the lesson number 7. Lesson number 7, that is Magician of the Sea. Magician of the Sea. So here everyone know what is mean by magician of a sea. Magician ante andariki telusu. So he do on his own magicians. Magician thing also he will do magic also. Here is one of the magician of a sea. She is a magician of a sea. Now we will learn who is the magician of the sea on this lesson. So what do 3 hearts? So what do 3 hearts? So here he is asking what do 3 hearts? 3 hearts means you know 8 arms. 8 arms. So everyone know what is mean by this. And one huge brain. Chala huge brain. So it is add up to, this is an octopus creature. What is this? What do 3 hearts? 3 hearts, it have 8 arms, huge brain. That's huge brain. This is known as octopus. This is the octopus. 3 hearts, 8 arms and huge brain she has. This is an octopus, a creature that can do amazing things. It is a creature that can do amazing things. Okay, it is amazing. Chala adbhutalu cheyastadu ee oka octopus. So now we are learning the magician of a sea, that is octopus. So octopuses are extremely intelligent. Chala intelligent. Intelligent means chala తెలివిగలది. ఈ యొక్క octopus extremely చాలా తెలివిగలది అని చెప్తున్నాను. They can learn new things just like humans. They will learn new things. కొత్త కొత్త విషయాలు నేర్చుకుంటారు. Like humans, like us. Humans, it will learn new things. They have even learned a few tricks to get them out sticky situation. They have some new tricks that they have learned from tricks. They have stick from the, even they have learned. అవి కొన్ని ఏం ట్రిక్స్ నేర్చుకున్నాయి, అవి ఎప్పుడైతే అతుక్కుపోతాయో new tricks they have learned from, escape from that. If an octopus is treated by a predator, that is predator means it is eat other animals. It is such animal. It is also like an animal such as a shark or a bird. Everyone know what is meant by shark or a bird. It can use some pretty, incredible sharp silk to get away. So here it is a bird like shark. So it is a predator. Okay. Octopus do not have teeth and sharp claws to defend themselves. They don't have teeth and they don't have claws. So they defeated themselves. They defended themselves. Instead, they use cleverly ways to fool their attacks. So first only we have learned they are very intelligent. So now they are very ఇంటెలిజెంట్. సో దే విల్ ఎస్కేప్, అంటే వేరే యానిమల్స్ అవిటిని దాడి చేసేటప్పుడు వాళ్ళని ఫూల్ చేసి దే విల్ ఎస్కేప్, అంటే అవి తొందరగా మెల్లగా జారకపోతాయి. సో దట్స్ వై వీ కాల్ ఇట్ హ్యావ్ ఏ హ్యూజ్ బ్రెయిన్, పెద్ద బ్రెయిన్ ఉందని చెప్తున్నాను. అందుకే ఆక్టోపస్కి ఏవైనా అటాక్ చేయడానికి వస్తే అవిటిని ఈజీగా ఫూల్ చేసేస్తాయి ఒక ఆక్టోపస్. ఓకే, ఆక్టోపస్ లైక్ టు హైడ్ దెమ్సెల్ఫ్ ఇన్ ఎ శాండ్ ఆన్ ద బాటమ్ ఆఫ్ ఓషన్ సీ. ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్తున్నారు, ఆక్టోపస్ హైడ్ అంటే అవి దాచుకుంటాయి ఎందులో, మట్టిలో, లేకపోతే బాటమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఓషన్ ఫ్లోర్. బాటమ్ ఆఫ్ ద ఓషన్ ఫ్లోర్ దే విల్ హైడ్, అవి దాచుకొని ఉంటాయి. హౌ? వెల్, ద ఆక్టోపస్ లైక్ chameleon because it can change the color of the skin match to the sun. They will use like a chameleon. How they will change the skin. Okay, they will change the color of the skin to match the sand. Sand lo elinappudu they will change the skin of their body. And this color change of camouflage happen camouflage. So this is happened in less than minute. So it will be changed like a camouflage. It will make minute lo change అయిపోతుంది the color of these creatures. So some octopus like to stay in more shallow water where there is a rock and polar. So here some of the animals, they are very shallow. They are octopus like to stay. Some octopus they like to stay in rocks and corals. Next, because octopus are invertebrates. Invertebrates meaning that they do not have backbone. They do not have invertebrates ante they do not have backbone. They can squeeze themselves into small places between rocks. Between rocks they will sneeze. Next, to get out of the reach of their predators, another way an octopus can hide in the shooting inks. Another, it will hide in a shooting ink. An octopus uses a part of its body called siphons to shoot ink into the water. The ink forms a cloud that hides an octopus. It will hide like a ink form of a cloud. Next, by the time the ink clears and the predators can see, again the octopus transform away from or hiding. It is very much like a magician doing the vanishing act. So they will hide in water when the enemies attack them. They will see how they are hiding from the. It is very much like as a magician doing. So magician, how he will hide, how will come outside, how will he change the, like that only the octopus also will do in the. It will act in the sea. If you think that is neat trick, then you will love what else their creatures have their sleeveless. So here is the telling, you love what else the creatures will have up in the sleeveless. If an octopus is being attacked, it can actually make itself look like a venomous sea snake. So when the attack from the other animal, it will look venomous sea snake. It will look like venomous sea snakes. It will bury itself in the sand. It will bury itself in the sand and keep two warm visuals. It will be keep two warm visuals. It will change the color. Again, it is changing when the attacking of other animals. It will be a sea snake. Okay, octopus. Those arms to match the sea snakes. So it will match the arms with the sea snake. But what if there is no time to hide? If an octopus is in trouble, it can break off one of its arms. So it is when it is no hiding, no anything there, so it will break up one of its arms. It has. The arm will then change color and spins around its water and distract the predator while the octopus swim away to the safe. Do not worry though. So he's telling when the also cut arms with it, do not worry. So though the octopus arm will grow back. So here whenever it break its arms, again the new arm will grow up. There is no need to worry. Okay, there is no need to worry. Okay, the octopus arms will grow back. It will grow back again. The octopus arm will grow back. So here what he is telling, again it will be grow అంటే అది మళ్ళీ పెరుగుతుంది. అక్కడ బ్రేక్ చేసినా మనకు బాధపడాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. ఈవెన్ దో అంటే అది విరిగిపోయినా అగైన్ ఇట్ విల్ బి కమ్ బ్యాక్ ద ఆర్మ్. There is one kind of octopus. Again here he is telling one kind of octopus that is venom to use in defense. The venom, it is used to defense. The blue ring octopus is tiny. The blue ring octopus. Here is telling another octopus that is kind of venom, that is blue ringed octopus is tiny. It is a very tiny. It could fit in the palm of your hand. It is fit our palm of our hand. Predators might think the size make the octopus a great snack. It is a great snack of predator might have think it is a great size snack. But they know to stay away. They know how to stay away from the predators. The blue ring octopus is very poisonous. It is a very poisonous blue octopus ring. Can kill the predators much larger than itself. So it is very tiny. Instead of that also it is very poisonous. It can be killed very large octopus also, including human also. It is asking including not only the big large octopus predators, it can kill a human also. It is like us. So the next time you can see an octopus in the aquarium or while you are snorkeling, remember that the inside of overside head, it is very large brain, making them clever addition to see. So what he is telling, next time he is telling to see, you can see in aquarium. Aquarium lo manam ee oka octopus ni chudochu. So remember it is in the overside head, it is very large brain, making them clever addition in the seas. So already we have known that is very intelligent octopus, as well as it is the sea, it is very clever. It is addition, clever brain she is in the sea. So now we completed about octopus. So what is an octopus? It is a very clever, it is very intelligent. How many arms she have? 8 arms. How many arms she have? 8 arms. How many hands she have? 3. So what a brain she have? Huge brain. So this part is this all capacities are in the octopus. So octopus is a very magical in the sea. She will do very magical things in the sea. With the how she will escape from the other animals like predators, large huge animal. She have a magical brain to escape from them. Wherever the animal is attacking to other animals, she will become same like that animals. Next, if there is no chance to escape from that, she will break one arm. Okay, so why? Because again the arm will come back, so she will break off one arm. Next, it is another octopus is there. That octopus is blue ring. It is very poisonous. Adi chala poisonous. Adi pedda predators ni kuda champutundi. Bit like us as human beings also it will be killed. So here now we have learned about the octopus, that is a very intelligent creature. So now we are going to summative and formative assessment from page number 36 and 37. Now we completed the lesson, the magician of a sea. The summative and formative assessment that are page number 36 and 37. So bit number 1. So here bit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 bits. So now we are going to bit number 1. So first one is, in what way are an octopus and chameleons similar? They both like to hide in less than a minute. They are both invertebrates. They both use their arms to kill predator. They can both change the skin color to full of enemy. Yeah, that is a B option is correct. The B one is correct. They can board, change. The skin, the first one is the skin color. To fool the enemy. This is the first right one. So next to bit number 2. That is bit number 2. Shri helps an octopus to escape from the predators. How does the it happens? Find out putting the following right options. The first one is here shoot. The first one is shoots ink using its siphon. The second one is ink forms a cloud. The third one is enemies fails to see. The fourth one is ink clears. The fifth one is octopus has escaped. So here he is giving the 1, 2, 3. So here he given in the rearranged. So here he given the rearranged. So here he given the rearranged. So here is we told it has been rearranged. So here ink clears. That fourth one is ink clears. So here the bit number 1 I am rubbing. So here I will write the fifth one, that is bit number 2. Fifth one is octopus has escaped. It has been escaped. Okay, this is the fifth one. So Wasp shoots ink using its siphon. Ink forms a cloud. Enemies fail to see ink clear. Octopus has escaped. So this is the correct order of escaping from the enemy. Now we are going to the bit number 3. What is others' purpose for writing this article? To explain how clearly octopus protect themselves. That is bit number 3. So bit number 3, the first one is D. The third one is D. That is to explain how cleverly octopus protect themselves. This is the third one. So this is the D bit, third one is. Next moving to the fourth one. That is what happens to an octopus if it lost one of its 8 arms. So it will grow new one. So whatever it may be lost, 1 arm, 2 arms, all arms, it will grow back new arm. Okay, it will be grow. It will grow a new one. So this is the fourth one. So these are the 4 bits have been completed. So now we are moving to the 5th bit. So now we will go to the bit number 5. So this time he given pick out a word from the passengers that means. So here is telling to pick out a word from the passenger that means. With a backbone. A1 is with a backbone, that is invertebrate. Invertebrate is the first one. A1. The B1 is having the same color with the surroundings. Comma E flaggy. So this is the same color, it will be surrounded. Okay. That is A and C. B is the bit number 5. So this is the bit number 5. So we are going to the bit number 6. That is last bit, match the difference. So here is going to match the mechanisms of octopus, which is purpose, defense mechanisms. Okay, so ask him to match it. So A, B, C, D, E, F. So here A, B, C, D, E, F have been given here. So here A, B, C, D, E, F. The first one is change color to the sand in which it lies. That is to fool. To fool the enemies. The fool enemies. The first one is A1 is to fool enemies. That is third one. 1, 2, 3. That is third one. So this is the third one. It is looking for everyone to fool the enemies. A1 is. So next one. The second one is state new among rock and coal. That is big number 6. To stay out of reach of the enemies. That is sixth one. So PC1, shoot in using a smartphone. That is fourth one. To go out of sights and escape meanwhile. That is fourth one. Next it is D1. Stay buried in sand, showing only the tentacles slouching like a snake. It is to frighten the enemies. To frighten the enemies. Enemy. That is fifth one. E1 is to distract the enemies. Distract the enemy. That is first one. The last one is of enemies to kill. To kill the enemy. Abuse enough to kill the enemy. That is second one. So these are the A, B, C, D, E, F options. First one is 3. Third one to fool enemies. Next sixth one to stay out reach of enemies. Go side escape meanwhile. That is fourth ones. Next fifth one frighten the enemy. Distract the enemy. First one to kill the enemies. So these are the A, B, C, D, E. That is 3, 6, 4, 5, 1, 2 are the right options for these. Okay. These are the 6 bits that I have been told for you. And this is the complication of magician of the sea. Who is the magician of the sea? It is an octopus. It is an octopus. So this is the lesson we have completed. That is class number 4 English subject. So please go through. You also once go through the lesson. What is meant by octopus? How it is? How it killed the enemies? How it will escape from the other predators. So you also once again go through it. So thank you children. Thank you very much for listening my lessons. And also you also go through. Don't listen and leave it. ఒక చోతో విని ఇంకో చోతో వదిలేయకండి. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్ తీసుకోండి, చదవండి. మీకు స్కూల్లో ఉండే కన్నా ఇప్పుడు ఇది కూడా చాలా ఈజీ మెథడ్. మీకు యూట్యూబ్ లింక్ ఉంది, ఎప్పుడు పడితే అప్పుడు వినొచ్చు. మీరు ఈజీగా టెక్స్ట్ బుక్స్లో చదవచ్చు, మళ్ళీ దాన్ని రాయొచ్చు కూడా. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ ఐఎమ్ గివింగ్ యూ హోంవర్క్ with the help of textbooks, please do it. And one more thing I am telling, read, don't waste time. So many days you have wasted the time. That is 6 months we have wasted the time. Now don't waste time. Please repeat it and do it the work whatever you get. That maybe in the previous classes also whatever you read, you once again revise it and take the textbooks and do it work. Okay. Thank you very much children.